to another how-to video on Kriyastream. Kriyastream is a cursor-like app for PMs. And in this video, I'll be walking you through a pretty nifty use case of how to quickly get started with a project plan using the Kriya AI Assistant PM. This is when I log in, I get a list of my projects on the left-hand side, but in this case, instead of my project templates, I'm in the full screen mode with the assistant. And it was an interesting use case that was presented to me by a client where they were trying to implement a NetSuite instance from scratch, and they sent out an RFP and they got a few responses. And if you are in procurement team, or if you're trying to validate procuring professional services, this is something that can be an interesting use case. Is how do you validate the proposal that you have and the scope in it, if that's a valid proposal or a project plan in terms of the level of work breakdown, the schedule, the effort, and the cost. And you can do all of that with Kriyastream. So in this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the assistant AI PM to say, well, let's create a project plan for the scope defined in the following proposal. I'm just going to paste some content I received from the proposal. I'm just going to paste it verbatim and see how the assistant PM tries to evaluate that and propose a project plan. So we'll give it a second to warm up and pull up a draft project plan. After analyzing the context, it should give us a draft of a project plan that we can then either make tweaks to or ask it to create it as is. And then once the project plan is created, we will then try to ask the assistant PM to create estimates for us, so we can then possibly even price it out. So here it goes.